Today's math lesson is on how to build a paper airplane. This is the first step. You take the paper, you fold it like this. In my school, or I don't know if you guys have, we call it folding it hot dog way. The hot dog way. Then you crease it on the edges. Then, when you're done, you unfold it back. You put it like this, and you take the top left corner, pull it down to the middle, and crease right here. And then you do the same to the other side. Take the top right corner, pull it down, crease it, and there you go. The next instruction is to do this. You take this part right here, pull it over to the center. Make sure you still have a tip. Then you crease it. Do the same to the other side. Do the same to the other side. There. So now the next step is to do this. You fold it in like this. Then you crease it here. Take it like this. Pull it down like this. Make sure it's going all the way to the edge right of the paper. There. Then you crease it right here. Then you go to the other side and do the same there. Go all the way down. And do the same. Important paper airplane tip. When you make a paper airplane, make sure your tip is very, very pointy. Or else, if it's not, it will not be able to fly very good. You want to touch it? Touch the point?
Ow! Perfect.
Very pointy. And then next, you fold it like this. Make sure it's like this. You take these, pull it out, grab the middle, and then you have to fold it kind of up a little, like that. A teeny tiny bit. Push it down. Oh, we get it right, just right. Paper airplane. And that's how you make a paper airplane.